Sound clips. I'm gonna stop a little bit behind from you. Damn, YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? We back with another video, and today, YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? So I'm here trying to do some rollers right now, but it's not connecting to the car like it should be. So I'm about to try to connect to it myself. But as y'all can see, man, I'm about to do some rollers right now. Damn. I'm about to go on a little cruise right now, but I'm gonna do some rollers on the way there. I was about to say you can make the right on red. I got some stuff I gotta go do, so on the way there I'm gonna do some rollers so y'all boys can hear the car and shit. I got a mic on the intake and one on the exhaust, so I'm not wearing a mic today for the POV, man. Y'all boys feeling on this lovely day though, man. I'm still overcoming this sickness that I got, this little dumbass flu. Shit been pissing me off for a couple of days now. Sound clips. Oh my God. Hopefully those rollers look fire, man. I don't even know what they look like right now because she doing the rollers. Feel me? I'm trying to get her into the roller game, man. See why y'all boys need a walkie, man? You could just hit the button and just talk instead of calling people on the phone. I mean, that's easier too, but you ain't trying to get a ticket over that using that phone now. It's a 2-lane road, so sometimes you could go over to the right. tell you when to push up so I could get behind you. Nah, don't go fast. Don't go fast. Don't go fast. Push up on that blue car. BIMMER United coming up, man. Big ass meet, feel me? That's next Sunday, I think. My boy gotta stay in tune for that, man. You know what I'm saying? There's gonna be a lot of cars out. It's one of the first biggest meet of the year. I know there'll be a lot of cops on this damn campus, man. Main Street, Main Street. Main Street be having the sounds down here, man. That car on your ass. Go ahead, push up. Push up, push up. got any address?
I need to make a left right here.
Side quest number 1. We about to go do some stuff in here real quick, chat, and I'm gonna catch our boys when we are back in the whip, man. I was doing some rollers, but the Pocket 3 died, so now we're gonna have to, y'all just gonna have to watch POVs, man. But right now I'm on my way home, as y'all can see. But I hope y'all boys been enjoying the vlogs, man. These rollers I was doing was like a little experiment, just to see if I want to start putting rollers in my vlogs and shit. So let me know how y'all boys liking that, man. I wanna take it to a better place. You wanna go? You want me to go in front?
Yeah, let me pull up. Go in front of him.
What?
I thought that person hit you, I'm not gonna lie.
I was fucking with him. Sound clips. Oh my God. That downshifter, oh my god. That downshift is insane. Green light, green light. Come on, Sydney, make that shit. Yes, sir. Oh my god. But if y'all boys enjoyed the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. I'm almost at the crib right now. I'm sorry it's not a long POV, man. I was just going out. I was just about to go run some errands and shit. So I said, why not pull the camera out, man? You know what I'm saying?